Hey everybody, my name is Pepper and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Today I hit 250 subs, actually 254, so I'll be doing my giveaway. I'm also doing a tutorial of this Rick and Morty, Rick from Rick and Morty. I always ask my husband what I should do on nails, and like when I first started my YouTube channel, he told me to do Rick and Morty. He says it's way popular, and I tried it and it was an absolute disaster. And so yesterday I said, babe, what should I do on my nails? And he said Rick and Morty, and I was so terrified, but I thought I've practiced a lot since then. Let me give it a go. So you are watching my second try of Rick from Rick and Morty. I just started off with his hair, just drawing some triangles of various shapes. Stay tuned for the next, till the end of the video. Towards the end, I'll be telling you what you need to do to enter my contest giveaway. Or you could just fast forward and find out. Either way, I'll be telling those details towards the end of the video. Now I am just outlining his eyes. Well, I'm just kind of putting where I think the eyes should be before I finish outlining the rest of the head or the hair. And I was really torn because the inspo picture that I was going for was a full body picture. But I do my artwork on smaller nails, and so it's hard. If I was to put that full body on there, it would be so teeny and the detail would be so small. So I decided to just go for the head with a little bit of the body. And you'll see that I just wanted to make sure his doctor jacket was showing or whatever kind of jacket that is. All right, and now I'm just outlining the eyes and the nose. He's got kind of a long, pointy nose, but it's curved at the bottom. And then the second eye, I'm gonna go in and do that. And I try to make this video short, you guys. If you do want to follow along, what I do when I watch tutorials is I literally keep my controller right by me, and I'll watch a few seconds and pause it and then do it, and then watch a few seconds and pause it and then do it. So I do speed up, I'm going to speed up the parts where I color in and things of that nature, because that will make this video pretty long. So, just pause it and then carry on when you're caught up. That's what I do. All right, so you can see I'm just doing seriously like a rough outline, and you can see I didn't like my first attempt at the outline of the head, so I went and made it a bigger head. And it's cool because when we do our color blocking, or when I do my color blocking, I'm gonna cover all that up. This is literally just a rough outline, and as you can see right now, I'm gonna go in and do my color blocking. I will speed this up for you guys right now, but you will see I cover up a lot of the mistakes that I made during my first rough draft. Okay, now I'm just going in with some white and doing the eyes. And I'm also correcting a lot of errors. And I wanted to tell you guys, all the liner gels that I'm using today, I got from my last Temu haul, if you watched it. If you didn't, you should go watch it because these liner gels are bomb. The only one I don't like out of the entire set is the white. It's not very pigmented. It's kind of like a cloudy white. So that's what I'm going to use it for. So this white that I'm using is just Beetle's white gel polish. But every other liner gel that I'm using is from that one that I got from my Temu haul. So you should check it out. Because it is like an amazing deal. Go back and watch it if you haven't. I'm just coloring in the doctor's jacket now with some white as well. And also, I just did another Temu order, and the expected date of its arrival is March 6th through, I think, the 12th. So, in order to qualify for this contest giveaway, I'm going to keep it open until the first day of its expected arrival in case it shows up on time. So March 6th is the last day to enter to win. I think I am going to pick 2 winners, maybe 3. It depends on how many people enter. The more people that enter, the more winners I will choose. If I don't get very many people that enter, I won't choose that many winners. So that's just how we're going to play that game. Coloring in the hair with this bluish color. This is also from that Temu gel liner kit that I got. I want to say it was like a 36-piece kit, you guys. I'm telling you, I've used it literally on every set that I've done since I got that Temu haul. It's my favorite thing that I got. And I pretty much like everything I got from that last haul. On this next haul, I have a lot of junk journaling supplies coming. I love scrapbooking my whole life, you guys. When all my kids were little, that's all I did was scrapbook their childhoods. So, I've been seeing junk journaling all over on the socials, and I just want to get back into it. And I have a ton of all my old scrapbooking stuff because I wouldn't say I'm a hoarder, but I hold on to things. It's all in great condition. Paper, stickers, embellishments. So I ordered a lot more stuff to come this time. If you are interested in starting up junk journaling as well, one of the giveaways options I have is a junk journal starter kit. So if you are a part of my community page or see that here on YouTube, I put a poll up on what you would rather receive as a gift for this giveaway. I'm just taking a red, you guys, and filling in Rick's mouth here. This red is also from my Temu. And then some white with my teeniest brush that I have. I think it's like a 4mm. Going in and doing the teeth. Now, I need to be honest. I wiped these teeth off and redid them probably 6 times. I was getting very aggravated. They're a very hard thing to do. So I think I just probably finally gave up after like the 6th time wiping it off and just went with it. So there's that. And I also want to say off of video, you can see I wiped it off again. I do a lot of baby cures because, let's face it, I'm human. I shake a lot. I make a lot of boo-boos. So I baby cure in between a lot of steps that I don't show you guys on camera. If I like something, I'm curing it pretty much right away. So that's that. And because I have total short-term memory problems, I can't remember what I was talking about right before. I got distracted. But we're into the black outline now. And so I wanted to talk about the giveaway. So while I'm talking about that, I'm just going to be going and doing the black outline all over Rick's face. And he's such an ugly dude, so it was kind of hard for me to do this one, but whatever. So the giveaway, you guys, what you need to do to enter is please be subscribed. And to be honest, I have absolutely no idea how to check on that. So honor system, as far as that goes. I'd appreciate the support. Let's put it that way. You must comment on this video. In your comment, I need you to tell me if you would rather receive a set of my custom press-on nails. You can choose the design. Or some nail supplies. And this is just going to be like random things that I pick from like my last 2 Temu hauls, okay? It's totally going to be random. Not going to tell you what's going to go in it because I don't even know yet. That's option number 2. Option number 3 is a junk journal starter kit. This will have everything in it to start junk journaling except for the journal. Because I am so dumb and did not order one on my last haul. So, if you do want that, go to my last Temu haul and check out the journal that I ordered. I think it was $6.98, and it's so stinking cute. Anyways, so that's the 3 options, and I need you to comment with that. Also, please comment with your favorite color and your first name. Now, if you are the winner, of course, I will be announcing it on the video, on this video. I'll put it in the comments, and then I'll probably do a new video announcing the winner with what you've won. But I need to have a way to contact you personally to get your info to ship. So, if I pick you as the winner, please follow me on the Instagrams. Moonchild Custom Creations on the Instagrams. And that way I can message you through there. Get your address, get your info, get your size if you want press-ons, whatever. If you don't have the Instagrams, you should get it. Just kidding. We can do email, but I prefer the Instagrams. That way I'm not having to check my email because it's full with junk. So, bonus points or one bonus entry per person if you go and follow me on the Instagrams. You need to tell me your username in the comment, because if your username is different here on the YouTubes than it is on the Instagrams, I need to know who to give that double entry to. Okay, and I'm going to be doing this the old-fashioned way, writing names on piece of papers. My husband's going to pull it out of a hat, and we will do that all on video, so you know I'm not cheating. So, now you guys know the details of the giveaway. You have until March 6th to enter. And I hope my Temu haul is here, because I get excited, y'all. It's like Christmas. I cannot wait. And I just barely placed it like 2 days ago. I want to say it's like 35 items. And it's a split between nail supplies and junk journaling supplies. So, I will do a video of that. Probably 2 separate videos, because if you do nails and don't want to see junk journaling stuff, I don't want to show it in the same video. So, anyways, this bright green, you guys, is not from Temu. This is from a super cheap liner gel set that I bought when I very first started doing nails, like 3 years ago. I still use it to this day. I have no idea where I got it, and I don't know the brand name. But this green was perfect. So I went and did the slime or whatever that is out of Rick's mouth. And then I just wanted to add some brightness, so I outlined the whole thing in this green. I also went and added purple glitter background to cover up the clear nail where Rick was not. And Although this attempt is not perfect, I realized the nose needed to be longer. There's some things I didn't like. Overall, I'm so happy compared to my first try, which I wish I would have saved so I could show you guys the before and after, because it's pretty freaking amazing. So practice, practice, practice. It's only been about 4 months, you guys, and every day I feel like I get better. Let me know what you think. Please enter my contest, like and subscribe, comment. Until the next video, bye.